So the side skirts just came in. Let's install them. Instructions, which we won't read. Comes with some screws. And this, ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's it. We're doing already. On.
The NBA playoffs continue from the Twin Cities. Thursday night, downtown Minneapolis, with Ian and Steve Kerr did a great job of keeping.
Wow. Alright, we're gonna check the fitment on this to see how good it looks. Oh my gosh, that's like perfect length. Dude, that's like perfect. I don't even need to cut it. I don't even need to cut it, guys. What the hell? Let me get the drill and I'll be back. This piece right here I didn't see ended up being longer than it should have, so I'm about to saw it off. Ooh. One more. Gosh, guys, we're finally done. And I'm about to do an oil change tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave it on the ramp Here's how it looks on both sides. I think it looks pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. This took me all night. Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.